Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Build.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to review this photographic field light. This is a light that is gonna go on top of my camera and it's going to be giving me extra lighting when I'm shooting my videos. So we're gonna review, we're gonna see what's on the box, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below in case you wanna get one of these for yourself. Let's open this and let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna open this thing and let's see what we got. It does look like we have a few things right over here. We have the light itself. Let's turn it on. Well, oh, this is super bright. Oh, let's see. It does look like on the side we have a few buttons, and you can change the brightness of it. That's great. Also, we have a color one that you can, whoa, this is super bright as well. So this is depending on how you want your lighting to be, your lights to be. You have these two dials here, and also you have a not and off button. Also, you have a battery meter on the bottom, and you have two slots if you want to put this horizontally or vertically. It came with a power cable. That's a USB-C, which goes right over here. Then we have a few things. This goes to the camera. Oops. This goes to the camera, and for me, I have a Canon Rebel, and that should be perfect to mount it on top, because all I have to do is to slide it, twist it, and then after I twist I just slide it. This part right here, I'm assuming this is for to grab a put your phone on, and you can do this motion and this will hook it there. But the reason this is like this is because, let me show you. You have your phone, you have phone right here, then you hook this part to your phone, which is hooked. You have to hook it down like this. Now this is hooked, and then you slide this on the back, and you can flip it if you need to. So let's say if you're gonna record something, and that's going to help you out to give you the light that you need. So in this case, let's turn it on. So it's gonna look something like this. This right here is a clip in case you want to mount it somewhere, and also you can always go put it twist it right here. All right, with that being said, it does look like this. Looks pretty self-explanatory. All right, so I am using the light right now with my phone, and I want to see if you guys like it. I'm gonna show you how I can change colors, and depending on the environment that you want to have your footage. And also I'm gonna change the brightness. All right, let me know what you think. So to put this part on the camera so I can put it on top, all I have to do is to slide this part right over here. There you go. And then all you have to do is to put this on the up here. All right, and there you have it. And if I want to turn it on, just go ahead and that's how you put it together. Alright guys, like I said before, this is my photography fill light that I got off Amazon. This is actual footage using the light on top of my camera. And let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you're thinking about upgrading your camera lighting, I would suggest to use it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below so you can get this item off Amazon. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time for the next video. Have a good day.